Last week, I wanted a new pair of shoes. I went online and found them quickly. 2 days later, I was wearing them. Today, I needed some ink for my printer. I ordered it online, stopped by the store on my way home from work, and picked it up. It's all so fast and easy. I sort of assumed that planning my wedding would work the same way. It doesn't. I quickly learned that the best wedding vendors book up months, even a year in advance. If you want the most options, you need to start planning early, especially if your wedding is on a popular weekend. When I visited the wedding show, the first question I asked everyone was if they were available on my date. If they weren't, I crossed them off the list and moved on to someone else. It was easy.